So Google has officially unveiled the Pixel 9a, the most budget-friendly addition to the Pixel 9 lineup. Priced at $499, the device is set to hit shelves in April. The Pixel 9a adopts the same design philosophy as its premium counterparts, featuring a flat Corning Gorilla Glass 3 front panel that seamlessly transitions into a flat aluminum frame. The back, however, is made of polycarbonate, giving the phone a minimalist, slab-like appearance, a notable shift from the rounded edges of the Pixel 8a. Additionally, the Pixel 9a now boasts an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. The device sports a slightly larger 6.3-inch OLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Capable of reaching 1800 nits in HDR content and peaking at 2700 nits, the screen delivers improved brightness levels. However, HDR support is limited to 8-bit color depth. The display also houses an optical fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is powered by Google's latest Tensor G4 chipset, paired with the Titan M2 security coprocessor. The phone comes equipped with 8 GB of RAM and offers storage options of either 128 GB or 256 GB. Google has also reworked the camera system. Replacing the previous 64-megapixel sensor from the Pixel 7a and 8a, the Pixel 9a now features a 48-megapixel f1.7 main camera with quad PD dual-pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization. The 13-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide lens remains unchanged from previous models. Similarly, the front-facing 13-megapixel camera from the Pixel 8a carries over, still limited to 4K at 30 FPS. However, the Pixel 9a introduces some new photography capabilities. It becomes the first A-series device to support macro focus, enabling detailed close-up shots, and also the first to include Google's astrophotography mode. Battery life sees a boost, with a 5100 mAh battery promising over 30 hours of use. The phone supports 23 watts wired charging and also features Qi wireless charging. Out of the box, the Pixel 9a runs Android 15. As with other Pixel devices, it is guaranteed to receive 7 years of OS and security updates. So what do you guys think about the Pixel 9a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.